ki khubor ka Batesi TV ka umdi basnyambak penjaslian Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Da kispa angot ki Briew ki badan jing Thud ha ki Dkhotmet kentubru ye ki riu teman ki bala khamno karta ki bashem jing e ha ka yat ka yang ke layo priang de ke Tiar jing yarab kum ki wheelchair ki kali lai shaka ki Tiar yarab ha ka bor yosngau ki ding du bat ki we hadien baka Artificial Limbs Manufacturing Corporation of India ka bahab hapo ka jingpet jongkatanan Empowerment of Persons with Disabilities Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment jongka Sarkar India la sam ha ka jelang ka balalong ha umling CNRD block ha ka jingsam yakini kitiar la ya don lang ru menteri ka Sarkar jela uba Sostina Sotun ka MDC ka Kong Rona Khimdej u Deputy Commissioner ka Ribhoi u Abilash Baranwal bat kiwe
This from from my.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, madam. I request all the guests.
Kini ke program kalong kaba gijimut hado kata-kata hakaba ka Sarkar nado ka central government hado ka state government kidon ya kata ka thong na ka benta tumno ban boy lane ban reach out shabaro ki citizens lane ki nong song jom dari India bat haka jela ka jumi hibro koi misokumen hapang iyo banyadon lang kum kagani ka program kede shibenta ban anim sim lane ka encouragement kumayong ba ki person able person or person with disabilities ngide ki Briew ngide ki jintau ki jong play ngidon hakaju kabenta hakaba ngidon kam ye respect banya purom markelien ka Sarkar ka persangkat bala kumno banle bha kumno banyerap nak kebenca kajindan kam kajong piparo.
Flagship scheme is Aiti scheme, that is called assistance to disabled person Another one is Rashtriya Vayashri Yojana, that we call RVY. Third one is for students, Divyang students who are going to school, for their welfare, for their support. There is a Samagra Shiksha Abhiyan which is being implemented across the India with the help of state government. Then apart from the beneficiaries who are left out, we are serving through CSR, Corporate Social Responsibility. So we are more than 50 plus PSUs. You name anyone, Airport Authority, BEL, BHEL, BIL, anything, HAL. So they are giving their CSR fund to us for providing aids and assistive devices. Alimco is working under the Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment, Government of India, and registered under Section 8 of Companies Act 2013 that says not for profit motive. So Alimco's motive is not earning profit. Its motive is to serve the Divyangjan and senior citizens. We are working in line with the Honorable Prime Minister's statement, his vision, that is Sabka Saath, Sabka Vikas, Sabka Vishwas and Sabka Prayas. The government's top priority is Northeast, and as Northeast the top priority, as earlier Anchor was telling that we have already 10 Pradhan Mantri Divyasha Kendra across all the Northeast states, and in Meghalaya we have one office at CRC Shillong.